Most ham radio operators, they're broke. Not because they don't make money, but because of how they spend it in this hobby. And yeah, this one's going to sting a little bit. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to HamShackTV, where we live and learn and transmit. I'm your host, Josh, AA4WX. Appreciate you tuning in. Now, before you jump in the comments and say, not me, it wasn't me. If you've ever bought a new ham radio you didn't actually need, this video is for you. Let's be honest about something. Nobody wants to admit. Ham radio has turned into a gear addiction. New radio drops? I gotta have it. New antenna? Mine's probably not good enough. New amplifier? Well, more power is better, right? Before you know it, you've got thousands of dollars tied up in equipment, and you're still making the same contacts you were making a year ago. Now, here's the truth. Most operators aren't limited by their gear. They're limited by how often they actually operate. You don't need a $3,000 HF rig. You don't need a stacked beam tower either, or a rack full of accessories to enjoy ham radio. Some of the best operators out there, they're running simple setups and making it work. But the culture says otherwise. It says things like, bigger is better. Newer is better. Maybe. It also says things like more expensive equals more serious. Serious. That's garbage, guys. That is complete garbage. You've got guys chasing the next upgrade instead of chasing better skills either. And the manufacturers, they love it. Because every time you convince yourself you need something, you swipe that card again. You type in that number into the website. But let me ask you something. When's the last time you practiced operating? Tried maybe a new band? When's the last time? When's the last time you learned propagation? When's the last time you improved your antenna placement? Keyword there, placement. Or when did you just buy something? Because buying new gear feels like progress, but it's not. It's actually not. Now, look, I'm not saying don't buy new gear. We all love radios. That's part of the hobby. But if you're going to spend money, be smart about it. That's why I recommend Gigaparts Rewards Plus. If you're already buying equipment, you might as well earn 4 times rewards points. You get early access to deals and actually get something back instead of just draining your wallet. They also have extended return policies. They have extended warranties. It's a fantastic program, guys. You will not regret Gigaparts Rewards Plus. And if you use my coupon code and my link down in the description, HamShackTV50, you're going to get 50% off your first month of Gigaparts Rewards Plus. It's a great deal, guys. I think you're going to love it. And maybe you don't want Gigaparts Rewards Plus. That's cool, too. I have another coupon code that gives you double rewards points as well. That's HamShackTV. So HamShackTV 50 for Rewards Plus, HamShackTV for any other purchases. Guys, we appreciate Gigaparts' support of HamShackTV. Now let's get back to the video. Here's the shift. Stop asking, what should I buy next? And start asking, what can I do better with? Or what can I do better with what I already have? That question alone will change everything. Now, ham radio isn't expensive because it has to be. It's expensive because we've made it that way. And until we break that mindset, people are going to keep thinking that this hobby is out of reach when it never had to be out of reach. All right, guys, be honest. How many radios do you have sitting around right now? Drop it in the comments. I want to see it. And if this hit a little close to home, let me know about it. That's a good thing. That means it needed to be said. If you're new here, subscribe for more Real Talk and Ham Radio. Live, learn, transmit. Welcome to the Shack. 73 AA4 WX, WSEB 693.